Looking to amp up your audio game without breaking the bank on fancy stuff like Dolby Atmos? Well, you're in for a treat. Windows 11 has free features for just that, and in this video I'll walk you through how to turn it on. Let's dive in. First, open up the settings on your computer. Then click on System from the left side menu. Next, click on Sound from here. After that, click on Headset or speakers you're using from the list in the Output section. First, if your device supports it, activate Audio Enhancements by clicking on this box and choosing Device Default Effects. This will give you audio effects similar to those of a home theater. Next, enable Spatial Sound by clicking on the box and selecting Windows Sonic for headphones. This will create an immersive audio experience by simulating realistic 3D spatial sound environments. And you're done. Now you can enjoy surround sound like Dolby Atmos or Razer Surround on your Windows 11 computer. If the video helped you out, please hit the like button. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments and I'll get back to you soon. Thanks for watching.